Reactions coming in on this horrific story from Madhya Pradesh in which army officers were thrashed and a female friend allegedly gang raped. The Gandhi siblings have come out and attacked the BJP at the state and the centre, said that both society and government should be ashamed. Rahul Gandhi said that there is no law and order in BJP ruled states. Priyanka Gandhi has said that the Prime Minister has failed to ensure safety of women. Let me go across to Govind, who's joining us on the phone line. Govind, it is extremely shocking, जो details are रहे, but the facts remain that इस पर politics have already begun.
Yeah, absolutely. This is somewhat a kind of shocker after shockers. In fact, you know, a few days ago in Ujjain, you know that in broad daylight, a lady was being raped, in fact, on the footpath. That was the matter heated, in fact, and action has been accordingly taken in that. Was also CM Mohan Yadav ensured that law and order situation will be working accordingly and consequences will be faced by those who just involved in such kind of crimes. And this is absolutely rather surprising that even trainee army officers and their female friends are not also safe here in Madhya Pradesh. You know that how the story comes out in which it has been clarified that the rape was conducted because SP has shared the information regarding this, and we have in fact media in charge of Congress party Mukesh Nayak to talk about this. Sir, क्या कहना चाहेंगे आप इस घटना को लेकर?
सबसे बड़ी चीज ये है कि मिलिट्री एरिया में इस तरह की सिविलियंस की एंट्री कैसे हो गई, एक बहुत बड़ा प्रश्न है। दूसरा, सबसे पहले इनको सिविल अस्पताल में भर्ती किया गया था। उसके बाद जब डॉक्टरों ने कहा कि ये बहुत गंभीर हालत में है, तब इन्हें मिलिट्री हॉस्पिटल में भर्ती किया गया। मिलिट्री हॉस्पिटल में इस तरह के किसी मरीज को कभी भर्ती नहीं किया जाता बिना परमिशन के। इनको कैसे भर्ती कर दिया गया? और जो मिलिट्री एरिया है उसमें प्रोस्टिट्यूट्स या इस तरह की औरतों की कैसे एंट्री हो गई, ये बहुत बड़ा यक्ष प्रश्न है। इसकी जांच होनी चाहिए।